the session.
Thank you, Diganta. So good day to all, and it's really great honor for me to introduce Professor Mrunal Kanti Ghosh here, and he's my advisor, my thesis advisor, and more than that, that's a too small thing to say. If I say that he's just my thesis advisor, that's not at all correct. There's much more to it, and yeah, so some of you will know all those things, but let me just today I would like to say something about Professor Ghosh first, and then we will get into the technical sessions and other things. So Professor Mrunal Ghosh, he born on November 25, 1956. It's about 65 years. So he'll be completing his 65 years sometime towards the end of this year. And so that's why this is the last year. 65 is the retired age in this country. So that's why this is his last year. And he will be he is actually professor at Indian Institute of Science Mathematics Department. And he is born from a small town called Chalibasa in Jharkhand, India. And he did his schooling, everything there. His BSc, he did his BSc also in the Chalibasa only. And then he did his master's in Ranchi University. Ranchi is a nearby town. And then he joined TIFR and IISc joint program for PhD. And then he completed his PhD in 1989. And after that, has spent some time in Maryland and several other places. And then before coming back to Indian Institute of Science in early 90s. And then since then he was in IISc itself. So, okay, to say that during his tenure, he has guided up 11 PhD students, and many students were actually supported by him in several ways. Let me also just share this screen. Many students were supported by him in many ways. So what I would like to say here about him is that he's an excellent teacher, first of all. And I still remember my very first day when I had my interview in Indian Institute of Science for PhD. In fact, the same day in the evening, I went to the department after my interview was over in the morning. And then afternoon, I went to the department. Then I think in the evening, I thought no one will be there in the evening. So I went there. Generally, I went there because I'll be going back to my hometown of the next day. So in the evening, he saw me there. He and Professor Basudev Datta, both of them are great friends there. And he saw me there and he looked at me. Why are you here? And then he asked generally. And then he told me the same day that I was selected for my PhD. Of course, at that time, I do not know that I would be working with him. But I worked, of course, even before he became my officially advisor, I started working with him, and then he became the advisor, and it was great time I had there. So now that's more about how I interact, how I came to know about him. But to tell about him, first of all, his research interests are in stochastic control. His thesis work, in fact, has contributed tremendously in the control of Markov chains and diffusions. So just to show you, instead of, I just thought I could not find his thesis online. So I thought I'll just show you some of his papers, which will actually help us to say something, what he has okay, so you can see this one. This is one of his early papers, and his advisor is Professor Borkar, another exponent of the applied probability. And he has, in this his initial work, what he has done is the ergodic control of multidimensional diffusions. Okay, as many of us know, the study of diffusion processes is quite hard. The major difficulty in the control of diffusion processes is that the coefficients of the diffusion equation, they become measurable, and in which case there are a lot of difficulties. And the main major result is that if the diffusion coefficient is sufficiently smooth and it's non-degenerate, we do know that the strong solutions do exist. And then this is where the contribution of Professor Ghosh came. And then they showed the existence of Markovian relaxer controls for the ergodic control. And this is, in fact, this constituted his thesis. In fact, there are a couple of works. In fact, this same thing continued into the another paper where they looked at the adaptive control. So these are a couple of things that I wanted to show. In fact, this is one of the early works in this subject. In this ergodic control turned out to be a very, very hard problem, and many people have worked on it. And a lot of results, some results were available there, but the difficulty was that they could not extend beyond the linear in some special cases. And this is where his contribution came. And in fact, he continued working on this topic for long. And in fact, many of us have benefited working with him. In fact, we also had contributed in this area. So now the another interesting thing that has done is the stochastic differential games. Okay, the stochastic control, and now when you have multiple players controlling the diffusion, then the problem becomes even harder. In fact, a general problem in this area is still open area. And in fact, we do have some of the speakers who have actually contributed in this topic today. Some of our speakers have done quite an interesting work in this direction. So in fact, you will hear about that. At this particular paper, they have actually developed something called occupation measure based approach for the stochastic diffusion. This is again very well regarded work in this area. And then during his postdoc, he has spent postdoc and has visited University of Texas, Austin. He was with University of Twente and University of Maryland, several places he has been there and has collaborated extensively with several people. And one of our major collaborator, we would like to say our, because a lot of our students benefited from this collaboration, is Aristotle Arapotostathis. And he's another great name in this subject. And with them, they have done this review is an excellent state-of-art review around that time. Okay. These are this particular thing is basically about the controlled Markov process. Average cost is one of the major thing that we have the Professor Ghosh's contributions in. And lot of interesting stuff we all learned by, in fact, all these people used to visit. In fact, Arapotostathis has visited India several times. Of course, Professor Borkar is in India itself. So we all have actually had a wonderful time together in many, many ways, not only academic thing, but even otherwise also. So this is one area which is enriched by Professor Ghosh's contribution. Now, there are few things which I wanted to show, which basically personally I considered some very this thing. And of course, I'm only talking about some of the things that not with the students, but with his collaborators he has done. So this is another place where this paper, I personally liked it very much, and I have a special interest in this paper, is ergodic control of degenerate diffusion. And in fact, many of us know here that the degenerate diffusions is a very, very hard problem. And some nice, under some nice condition, they develop a nice condition, and then they show the ergodic control problem can be solved under that condition. So this is, so to sum it here, I would like to say his contribution, one of the major contribution is in the ergodic control of diffusion processes and Markov chains. Okay. And after that, there are another very interesting work. In fact, sometimes he says this as he used to say this as kind of a byproduct of stochastic control, and is this Harnack inequality for cooperative weakly coupled elliptic systems. In fact, we do know that the PDEs and probability are connected very nicely. And in fact, Strouk Varadan, they have done a wonderful in-depth study there. And in fact, the Krylov Harnack inequality, the proof of Harnack inequality by Krylov is one of the major thing here. And this contribution by Professor Ghosh is again wonderful. And this, in fact, while studying from the stochastic control, this is actually kind of an outcome. And this is something I personally like very much. And then the another interesting thing that I liked here is this controllability of a class of nonlinear stochastic system. The controllability, for example, in a deterministic control, for if you take linear system, x dot is equals to ax plus bu, we would like to look at controls u so that the system can be steered from one place to another place. Now, in the stochastic setup, how do we really do this one? So here, this is one paper which actually I liked it, and they came up with some kind of a notion of controllability, and then they study this one. So these are some of his contributions in related to stochastic control and PDEs, but these are not the only things. And later on, he has worked extensively on finance, stochastic control applications in finance, and all, with several of us. So several of his students. I already mentioned that he has guided 11 students, and all the 11 students have worked actually in different areas. Say, for example, my senior Suresh Kumar, he has worked in the stochastic control of diffusions, and I worked in the differential games, mostly deterministic. Then my another friend actually worked in the differential games in infinite dimensions, and Anindya, who is also here, has worked on the risk sensitive control and several things. And then all his students later on, they started working in finance and many other areas. Of course, I haven't I'm not mentioning about these finance aspects here. The reason for that is that we are anyhow going to learn here in this in the today's presentation about I think we have 3 speakers today in the today's session. We are going to listen to some of the areas which are very much connected with Professor Ghosh. So now this is briefly about some of the contribution that he has done to stochastic control. And in fact, if I say that this is his only contribution, that's completely incorrect, because in India, there are very few people who are actually working in stochastic control. And through his interactions with lots of not only students, the postdoc, he has mentored quite a few postdocs and collaborated with several other people and many others, through which actually has guided them into the area of the stochastic control and related areas. So there are so many people. Now, in fact, we are all working in different places, and currently I can very well say that the area is now represented across the country, in the south as well as the north and northeast. All the places we have a representation of Professor Ghosh. That's something that I consider very happily. So this is briefly I would like to say about Professor Ghosh. Now, for this session today, we do have a few speakers. In honoring Professor Ghosh, we actually requested a few experts in this area, and then all of them actually have agreed very favorably. And I'll introduce them now briefly, and then we'll go into their talks. Okay. The 3 speakers today we have are Professor Tomoyuki Ichiba. He's a faculty at the Department of Statistics and Applied Probability at University of California, Santa Barbara. He is basically from Japan, and he received his PhD in statistics from Columbia. And his research interests are in stochastic processes and their applications in finance. And we have Professor Eran Bayraktar. He's a holder of Susan Smith Chair. He's a full professor of mathematics at the University of Michigan, where he has been since 2004. And Professor Bayraktar's research in stochastic analysis, control, applied probability, mean field games, machine learning, and map finance. He has well over 140 publications in the top journals in these areas. And then we have another speaker. He's also giving us the keynote address, plenary talk today is Professor Rene Carmona. He's formerly the chair of Department of Operations Research and Financial Engineering, and he's associate member of the Department of Mathematics, member of the program in Applied and Computational Mathematics, director of graduate studies of the Bendheim Center of Finance, where he oversees masters in finance, of course, all in Princeton University. And he has a PhD in probability from Marseille University, where he held his first academic job. And then he has spent time in Cornell, Princeton. He moved to the University of California, Irvine in 91, and now in Princeton. So he's a fellow of Institute of Mathematical Statistics, of the Society of Industrial Applied Mathematics, and of AMS. He's a founding chair of SIAM Activity Group in Financial Mathematics and Engineering, founding editor of Electric Journal of Probability and Electronic Communications and Probability, and the SIAM Journal of Financial Mathematics. And he is on the editorial board of several peer-reviewed journals. Okay, so these are the three speakers that we have today in honoring Professor Ghosh. So before we go to this main technical session, I would request Anindya maybe to say something. Anindya, are you okay?
It's okay, but I think due to the want of time, we don't. Yeah. So I mean, nothing much I can say within a minute or so, and that would be unjustified. I mean, it is my heartfelt gratitude to M.K. Ghosh, and I'm proud to be a student of him. And it is my honor that you have asked me to say anything. But I think nothing much can be said in this short time, and you have to stick to the schedule also.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Anindya. Professor Ghosh, would you like to say before we start the session?
Rinalda, you are muted. Rinalda, you are muted.
Yeah, now it's fine. At the outset, I wish to thank all the speakers for taking this trouble for giving talks in these sessions. All the participants, some of are my former students, and above all the organizers for this kind gesture. I'm not absolutely sure I deserve it. Thank you.
You deserve such.